Understanding Donor-Advised Funds, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting financial term, donor-advised fund. This concept is not only important in the financial world but also in philanthropy. Whether you're learning English for business, finance, or personal interest, understanding terms like this is crucial. So, let's dive in and learn about donor-advised funds together. A donor-advised fund, DAF, is like a personal charitable savings account. It's a vehicle for philanthropy. Here's how it works. An individual, family, or organization donates money into this fund. They get a tax benefit immediately for their contribution. But here's the catch. The money is not given to charities right away. Instead, it stays in the fund, where it can be invested and grow tax-free. The person who sets up the fund, the donor, can then advise on which charities should receive grants from the fund, but they don't have the final say. The organization managing the fund, usually a public charity, has the final authority on grant-making. One of the key attractions of donor-advised funds is their simplicity and flexibility. For donors, it's an easy way to manage their charitable giving. They can contribute cash, stocks, or other assets, and get an immediate tax deduction. Over time, they can advise on grants to various charities, without the need to set up a private foundation. This flexibility makes DAFs a popular choice for many philanthropists. However, donor-advised funds are not without their criticisms. Some argue that DAFs can be used to delay charitable giving. Money can sit in these funds indefinitely, which can be a concern for those who want to see immediate impact in charitable work. It's important to understand this aspect when discussing DAFs. I hope this video has shed light on what donor-advised funds are and how they work. Whether you're interested in finance, philanthropy, or just expanding your English vocabulary, knowing about donor-advised funds is valuable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been an informative journey into a fascinating aspect of the financial world.